Creating Wealth by Strategy. Unlock smart wealth secrets, tips and hacks, because wealth is not luck, it's strategy. Welcome to Smart Wealth TV, your trusted guide for turning wisdom into wealth. In today's episode, we're diving deep into creating wealth by strategy, because success isn't accidental, it's engineered. Let's start by busting a myth. Most people believe wealth just happens to lucky people. The truth? Wealth is a byproduct of strategy, discipline, and time. Wealth, strategy, discipline? Look at every wealthy person you admire. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey. They all had a wealth plan and executed it over years. Wealth isn't won, it's built. To create wealth by strategy, you must master 5 pillars. Wealth creation starts with clarity. What do you want? Freedom? A house? A dollar portfolio? Put a number on it. Set a deadline. Whether it's a job, business, or side hustle, wealth starts with increasing your income. Learn high-income skills. Monetize what you know. It's not just about making money. It's about keeping it. Use tools like the 50-30-20 rule or automated savings to manage cash flow smartly. Here's where the magic happens. Stocks, real estate, crypto, index funds, invest early and often. The goal? Passive income and capital growth. Wealthy people don't just save. They multiply their money using scalable assets, businesses, royalties, content, or real estate. Meet Sarah, a school teacher who built a YouTube channel teaching math. 3 years in, she's earning more online than from her 9-to-5 job. Or James, a taxi driver in Ghana who started investing $10 a week into mutual funds. 10 years later, he owns a fleet of cars. Small, strategic steps, big long-term results. Ready to create wealth by strategy? Here's what to do next. Number 1, write down your 1, 5, and 10-year financial goals. Number 2, identify your income source and side hustle potential. 3, start learning about investing. Pick one area and commit. Track your money, every city, every dollar. Number 5, watch Smart Wealth TV every week. We'll guide you. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and let's build your wealth plan together. You were not born to survive. You were born to prosper. Start with strategy, start today. It's always good having you here at Smart Wealth TV. Thanks for watching. Watch next, Top 10 Passive Income Ideas for 2025. Subscribe to Smart Wealth TV